In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shipping label on Shopify. If you're a Shopify store owner, you know that managing orders efficiently is key to maintaining a successful operation. A crucial part of that process is creating shipping labels, which helps ensure that your products are sent to customers promptly and accurately. Whether you're fulfilling a single order or handling multiple shipments, understanding how to create a shipping label is essential. Let's get started by walking through the steps you'll need to follow. First, log into your Shopify admin account and head over to your store dashboard. Once there, you'll want to locate the Orders section in the menu. Clicking Orders will bring you to a list of all the recent transactions you've received from your store. This is your main hub where you can manage each order efficiently. Next, choose the specific order for which you want to create a shipping label. You can do this by clicking directly on the order from the list. Selecting an order opens up a detailed view showing the customer's information, products purchased, and other relevant order details, giving you the necessary insights to fulfill it correctly. Now, look for the option labeled Print. This feature is typically found on the order page and allows you to print various documents related to the order, such as shipping labels and packing slips. Click on Print to proceed to the next step. Afterward, you'll notice an option to print packing slips. This document is important for your shipment because it lists the items included in an order, along with other details such as SKU numbers and quantities. It's a helpful tool not only for you to ensure accuracy when packaging products, but also for your customers to verify their purchase upon receipt. Clicking on Print Packing Slips will prepare this document for printing. Once you've reached this point, you're almost done. At this stage, most of the hard work is behind you. From here, you'll either manually enter shipping information into your preferred shipping software, or if your Shopify store is connected with a shipping carrier, use the label created directly through Shopify. Generating the shipping label often includes options to customize details, such as shipping speed or insurance. Before you proceed with printing, double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. An incorrect label can lead to delays or misrouted packages, so it's always worth taking a moment to verify everything. If everything looks good, print your shipping label and affix it securely to the package. And there you have it. You've successfully created a shipping label on Shopify. Hopefully, this guide makes the process clear and efficient for you, ensuring that your customers receive their products smoothly and on time. Thanks for watching, and happy shipping!